Well, so I have 4C type of hair. 4 type of hair is the tightest, that is coily or kinky with the most shrinkage up to about 50%. Then also 4C hair is the driest type of hair with that matte look. So it's very, very important to know the right method of moisturizing your hair so that you can control brittleness and breakage. I use water as my hydrant or moisturizer, as others may call it. I think water is the best moisturizer that anyone would afford. So I typically use handmade butter that uses natural kitchen approved ingredients that you would literally eat, and I find this very, very good for my hair. So I want to forge a tempered look, kind of like a short bob, and I have already parting my hair. I've already parted my hair, and so I'm going to leave my twist air dry, probably until the next day. But if you want to unravel your twist immediately, then you have taken about 3 days. So now it's the 4th day since I twisted my hair, and now I want the twist out. So I'm using a mixture of some light oils, small essential oils, a little bit of it to apply in my hair so that it can help me unravel my hair smoothly, control frizz, and also add shine at the end of it all.